Hello everybody, it's Sarah here and I'm back to share with you the unboxing of the Aunty Vera Scrap and Craft October kit. I know in advance that this kit is Halloween themed, so let's open it up and have a look. So, it looks like a few fun things in here already. So this is some Nouveau Dilemma paste. I've been wanting to try this out for a while, but I haven't gotten to, so that's exciting. It's sort of a hot pink color, so that'll be lots of fun to have a play with. We then have a whole bunch of embellishments, so let me just open these up. I might just get rid of the box. So we have some washi tape featuring some witches' hats and some jack-o'-lanterns. We have some Tim Holtz Ideology, some Tim Holtz Ideology broomsticks, some Tim Holtz assemblage light bulb sort of jars. We have a Echo Park Hocus Pocus stencil here featuring some bats. We then have an Alexandra Renke ghost die cut. So that makes it a 4 ghost shapes, as you can see there. We have, this cute little lawn fawn stamp set. Have a beautiful day. Sending you monster hugs. I think you're neat with some little monsters. That is so, so cute. Then we have this photo play trick or treat cardstock die cut. So I'll just open them up so we can have a look through them. So we have trick or treat, give me something good to eat, pumpkin patch, a whole bunch of little tags and things. Very Halloween inspired. Big tag here, the Boo Crew, Witch's Brew, another Boo. Scared Silly, Trick, Scary Cute, and a witch's hat here. So this punches out, so you've got 2 brackets. You've got the Hocus Pocus witch's hat, you've got the 2 big brackets, and then you have a sort of faux Polaroid photo frame die there. So I'll just punch that out. So great lot of embellishments as usual. Thank you very much, Vera. You've given us lots to play with this month. So then we also have some Thickers gold Halloween sayings. There's Halloween, trick or treat, boo, hey, eek, pumpkin, ghostly, and hocus pocus. Oh, and there's another side, which is frightful, creepy, crawly, happy, haunt, sweet treat, and spooky. Sorry, touched my camera there. So they're very, very pretty as well. So next we'll get to the papers. So this is the Hocus Pocus Echo Park collection, and I'll just run through them. So there's 2 of each, and we have some skeletons, and then on the back there is some 3x4 inch cut apart cards here with a bunch of different sayings and things. So very cute. Then we have some 4x4 inch cut aparts. And on the back of that one is some witch's shoes. We've got some pumpkins, On the back of that is some 4x6" cutter parts. So this is a great collection, guys. Lots of different bits to play with. Witches' hats and some ghosts. A whole bunch of different ghouls here. There's like a dinosaur monster, a witch, a cat, a ghost, a vampire, a skeleton, a Frankenstein. Very, very cute. On the back of that is some bats in different colours. Then we have a whole bunch of candies here that are a little bit creepy with some bugs and some eye lollipops and things. And on the back of that is a nice violet and red check. So that is this kit, guys. It looks absolutely fantastic. Many of you who know me would know I'm not really into Halloween. But that being said, this looks like a very fun collection. It's sort of more creepy cute than all out gore. And oops, I think it will be lots of fun to play with. So thanks for watching, and I'll be back soon to share some projects with you. Bye.